Bouwadvies is not only unique in its appearance and location, but above all, for its very sustainable and healthy design. The energy-neutral design consists virtually entirely of circular and bio-based material. The house is surrounded by a wooded area and built adjacent to a fan. By raising the house and providing verandas, which consist of bamboo slats and a recycled composite on all sides. There is a fine line between nature and the house which leaves the great outdoors to be easily accessible. As the garden is given back to nature and it's devoid of the enclosure, the plot flows into the forest, offering beautiful views. The facade and the sloping roof are finished with untreated high-density bamboo composite slats which, due to their natural appearance, completely blend in with the verdant surroundings. The house's form, size, and layout are all tailored to the needs of a family with 3 children, while it also adjoins Spee Architects' office premises. The verandas and awnings are the connecting elements in the design of the building, which attach the office, home, and outdoor space to one another, thus unifying the former two. The dormer fits in all bedrooms, form an integral part of the sloping roof and exterior walls. The bedrooms are therefore highly spacious. The staggered height of the stories and expansive facade lends the room a sense of distinction, while invariably offering an all-around view of the greenery and mirror. The detailing of the house was worked out meticulously to ensure that the guttering and water bars are concealed. While the roof and wall cladding match seamlessly with one another, the spatial setup, the composition of large facade, the verandas, the awnings, and the choice of sustainable materials jointly created a unique and contemporary living and working environment that becomes one with nature.